to start.
What all do you guys have new coming out?
This is getting ready to come out. And then you remember the Monogram Mongoose rear engine 24 scale? It's getting ready to come out.
Okay.
Yeah. I just built it, but I had to send it to him, so I couldn't keep it for the show.
Yeah.
I think those will be the two next coming out.
What are they due about?
He's working on the boxes and stuff. I would say in the next probably a little over a month, maybe.
Okay. You guys are working on the box of this one too?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Did you build that?
Yeah.
Did you? Yeah, okay, there they are. Yep. That's what I was looking for. Great minds think alike.
Yep.
Very cool.
Yeah.
All right, well, thank you.
Thanks for stopping by. Yeah.
These your figures?
Mm-hmm.
Are they?
That's my new. I just love those things, man.
You paint all of them and do them all?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, well, thank you.
No, thank you again.